In this video, I'm going to show you how you can export your video project in GIF format. My name is Isaac and this is a minute with AI. So I have here a small clip that I'd like us to convert into GIF. And to do so, it is pretty much easy. Just go to export here and then tap on it. Now from here, under stock, scroll down until you see MPEG 4. And here it is. Select this style, select this format. Then go ahead and tap on this advanced. And we want to change the video format here. So change this to GIF. So look for GIF. And GIF is here. So I'll select it. Now go to this second option, which is called codec. Also change the codec from MPEG 4 to GIF. And here's GIF. Then select the audio option. And now here, disable audio because GIFs don't usually come with audio. Now turn back to video, and here you want to reduce this frames per second to the lowest quality possible. So I'll reduce this to 15. So that is the best quality for GIFs. And once you're done, it's time to export. So to export now, just go ahead and tap on export. Then select the file where you want this to be exported and give your project a name. And here we go. And as you can see, the download is on, and this is usually a very small file. Within a moment, it should be done. So if I play the original one, you see it is this. And now we want to go ahead and see the downloaded version. And the download is done. So let me go ahead and look for it. So that is it. Our GIF has been created. So that's how you export files in Shotcut in GIF format. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.